Yo, might be a little crazy right now, but yo, I'm headed to the store. I'm trying to find something to eat. I heard all the stores was closed. Yo, it's crazy out here, man. Yo, Jonas, calm down, man. Nah, yo, it's mad funny, yo. Yo, come out here at your own risk. You can't even see ahead of you. Yo, I think I done turned into a news reporter, man. Crazy, you know. First I had the cow video. This guy trying to run me over.
Where's Linden Boulevard?
Linden Boulevard? Straight that way. Yo, he just cleared a path for you. Go around right there on the right.
Yeah.
Right there.
Go straight, right?
Yeah, straight as Linden. Yo, I'm out here directing traffic and everything, man. I ain't even getting paid for this. Spread my news around. This is crazy clips. I'm out here and it's a blizzard. I do some crazy things, for real.
Can't hate you for that one.
Yeah, we grew up with this kind of snow.
Yeah. And then I'm scared that they're gonna plow me in deeper.
Yeah.
That's what I'm scared of.
You sure you don't want me to get my shovel? I'll come right back.
I got kids.
All right, well.
3 healthy young ladies.
Oh, lady. Okay. This is what's going on in our hood, people. St. Albans, Queens, New York City. Now, he going a little too fast if you ask me, man. If he was to try to put on the brakes, he could have slid right into me.